I guess we're back with Finn. I will tell you her Achilles heel is seeing a strange dog. And we just had a guy pull up with a strange dog. This is like the plot thickens. I gotta tell you, she's gotten very greedy with the treats. I don't know if you guys saw the other day when she was just chomping on my hand. You've got to train him in. Finn! Just walk over here, this guy thinks he's coming. And I'm eating my red velvet candy. You guys must all go get each other red velvet candy for Valentine's. The whole McNeely family. So we're just going to be ready for this. She's going to try to waggle up to stranger. I am going to go to my nick. My nick is what's reinforcing. All right, here comes a screechy little dog. I'm going to tell you right now, she's going to spot the screechy little dog over here. Finn, I'm going to be ready. Finn! Good girl. I'll tell you what that was. That was 50. I went pop, pop. Finn! Good girl. That was 100. I went pop, pop. Finn! Good girl. Finn, I'm gonna tell you what I did. In between eating my candy. I'm ridiculous. I'm not like these other guys. Who was that said I was unprofessional? I'm just me. I can't help it. I'm just me. I have to have red velvet. I'll tell you what that was and why that was what that was. I've created a little barrier now. What that was, when that dog shot away from me with that speed, and don't kid yourself that she wasn't hell-bent for that dog. Don't ask me why. If there's an emergency, I'm telling you who you want around Kelly, because I can function in emergencies. Finn? Because of the rate of speed that dog was moving away from me, and the amount of distance I had to stop the dog. If I can zoom in on my hand, we need to meet somebody from the CIA that can help us with this. What I did was I turned. This is what I did. Here, I'll reenact it like 6 Million Dollar Man. No. Anyway, I turned, Finn. I turned it before I hit it. You can actually turn it when you hit it, but I didn't have enough time. I may try to do it, take that section out, edit it out. That took about 1.5 seconds to occur for her to go that quickly away. The speed that the dog was going at. Come on. Anyway, for all of you at home, if there's one family I love, it's the McNeely family. And this little dog's turning out to be the best little dog. But, she's going to have a collar. All right. Oh, look at that boat way out there. If there's one thing I love, it's a boat way out there. The McNeelys are like, oh, I thought she loved us. But now I love a boat in the ocean. Kelly character's very fickle. All right, Crystal, stop. This is a good example. We got the dog eating the Doritos. So I'm not going to no, and try to take it away. See if she'll go back to it. All through. Finn! Good. Be a good slow-mo, too. All right, so what we have to do, oh boy, here comes Training Destroyer. Finn! Good girl. I'm going to tell you what that was. That was my Nick still on 90. She's pretty hyped up in this environment. And that's what you guys need to understand. That's why you've got to have the nick. We've had so much of the pager, though, that we can now add the nick. The dog is expecting something to happen. We're just kind of upping the expectation. Finn! Good. Even that short distance, I've got the dog running to me. Let's see if we can mingle over here, because this is going to be very difficult. I'm just going to tell you, without training, what would happen would be the dog would just bounce over. Notice nobody's swimming.
No, it's too cold.
500 people walking on the beach. Nobody's too cold for her. These people from Ohio. I mean, these people from out of town. I don't know. There's half of Canada's here or something.
Yeah.
Finn. Good. So I'm just creating a proximity around me that I don't want the dog to leave. Finn. 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 Still continues for miles. Now they're going back the other way. What is going on?
Maybe it's a tour bus.
All the way down there. Who are these people? I mean, they look like extras from a movie. The way they're dressed. Finn. Go. Finny. Finn. Good girl. Hi guys. We like to sneak down on the beach, but see the sign. Now you don't see it. Bye, guys.